building blocks of a solid financial foundation or the peace of mind. Yan. Gusto ba natin magkaroon ng peace of mind in terms of our finances? For sure, lahat po tayo gusto natin magkaroon ng peace of mind. So kung gusto natin magkaroon ng peace of mind, make sure to build your solid financial foundation. So yan po yung second concept po natin. Build a solid financial foundation. Alam mo yung solid financial foundation? Ang solid financial foundation po ay isang konsepto na tinuturo namin dito sa IMG para kapag meron ka ng kakayahan na mag-ipon, may kakayahan ka ng mag-invest, malalaman mo na, okay, kung ano yung kailangan mong i-priority sa pamamagitan ng building a solid financial foundation. So, tinuturo po dito kung ano po yung dapat nating i-priority. Alright? So, there are order of priority. So, first is your healthcare. Pag may kakayahan ka ng mag-ipon, may kakayahan ka ng mag-invest, make sure na unahin mo yung healthcare mo. Long-term and short-term healthcare. Bakit? Para just in case na magkasakit ka habang nagtatrabaho ka or habang nagnenegosyo ka, hindi ka mamomroblema sa hospital bills. Okay? So, magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind just in case man na magkasakit ka, meron kang pambayad sa hospital bills dahil sa healthcare mo. Alright? Long-term and short-term healthcare. Pangalawa, na kailangan mong i-priority after your healthcare is your life insurance. Nabanggit natin kanina, what if you die too soon? Who will take care of your family? Ang life insurance ay hindi para sa'yo. Ang life insurance ay para sa pamilya na maiiwanan mo. Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng peace of mind na kahit wala ka na ay hindi magugutom yung pamilya mo? Makakapag-aral pa rin yung mga anak mo? So you need life insurance or income protection. And then, next is, you need to manage your debt. Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng peace of mind na walang naniningil sa'yo? Walang tumatawag sa'yo para magbayad ng utang. So again, kung gusto mo ng peace of mind, you need to manage your debt. You need to know what is good debt and you need to know what is bad debt. So isa po ito sa tinuturo ng IMG. And then, we need to build emergency fund. Alright? Bakit kailangan natin ng emergency fund? Para just in case of emergency, meron kang fund na magagamit. So gusto mo ba ng peace of mind? Na kahit magkaroon ng emergency, hindi ka mamumroblema sa pera. So, build an emergency fund. And then, lastly is your investment. Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng peace of mind na pagdating ng araw na papasok na yung anak mo sa college, hindi ka mamumroblema? So, you need investment. Gusto mo ba ng peace of mind na pagdating ng retirement mo, meron kang magagamit or merong magsusustain sa mga financial needs mo? You need investment. Alright? So again, this is solid financial foundation. So again, kung gusto mo ng peace of mind, you need to build your solid financial foundation. So you need healthcare, you need life insurance, you need to manage your debt, you need emergency fund, and you need investments. So question, ano na po ba yung meron ka ngayon? Nandito ka na ba sa strong foundation or nandito pa rin sa weak foundation? Kung nandito ka na sa strong foundation, Mary Jane, congratulations po. At least, nakapag-build na po kayo ng solid financial foundation nyo. So, just in case na magkaroon ng financial problem, meron po kayong peace of mind dahil nakapag-build kayo ng solid financial foundation ninyo. Ngayon, kung nandito ka sa weak foundation, congratulations pa rin. Bakit? Kasi nandito ka ngayon. At least aware ka na kailangan nating mag-build ng solid financial foundation. So again, hindi ko po alam kung ano na yung meron kayo ngayon. So kayo lang po yung nakakaalam nun. But I'm sure IMG can help you to build your solid financial foundation. So later on, matututunan natin paano makakatulong ang IMG para makapag-build tayo ng solid financial foundation natin. Okay?